If you have seen my videos before, I'm sure you've seen the portable vise. I like it, I use it every day since I made the video and before. If you want to know how to do this, the details, then check out video number 1. At some point I was looking for a second vise and I didn't have time to put anything together. And I realized that a clamp like this, which costs nothing and it's very easy to use, it works quite well also. There's a multi-lock in this. It's a dimple lock. It's a standard one. There are 6 pins by the looks of it. As you can see, I can hold it very comfortably. Let's see if we can open this up. Pin 1 and 2, and we're in a full set. Now let's check the rest. 3 counter rotation, full set for, not so sure, 5. Yes. Counter rotation and set. Pin 6. Counter rotation set. 1. Two seems to have moved, but I don't feel the counter rotation. Let's not try it. 3. Counter rotation. Release the pressure. I almost overset it. And then 1 feels set. 2 doesn't counter rotate. 3, 4. Something in the back here. Yeah. Counter rotation. Not too much tension. Almost something. 1, and we're open. So as you can see, this works really well. So if you are basically not spending the time to create a vise or anything like that, if you're at your desk, if the meeting is boring, whatever, in the car, this also works really well as a portable vise for love sport. A lot of you are already aware that it works so well, but maybe some are not. For those, this might help you. I hope so. Pick comfortably, don't hurt your hands, and enjoy the whole picking, because that's what this is all about. Thanks for watching, take care everyone, bye bye.